Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make bacon-wrapped hot dogs on the grill. First, gather your ingredients: hot dogs, bacon, and any desired toppings. Next, preheat your grill to a medium heat, aiming for about 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures even cooking. You'll also want to prepare any additional items like cheese or onions now, so they are ready to go when your hot dogs are cooked to perfection. Now let's get those hot dogs wrapped. Take one slice of bacon and carefully wrap it around each hot dog, ensuring it's snug. If the bacon seems loose, you can secure the ends with a toothpick, but often the heat will seal it. Once wrapped, place your hot dogs directly onto the preheated grill grates. Arrange them so they have enough space to cook evenly without crowding. The key to delicious bacon-wrapped hot dogs is achieving that perfect crispness. Grill them for about 10 to 15 minutes, turning them frequently with tongs. This ensures the bacon cooks evenly on all sides and becomes beautifully golden brown and crispy. Keep an eye out for any flare-ups from the bacon fat. Simply move the hot dogs to a cooler spot on the grill if needed to prevent burning. Once your bacon is perfectly crispy and the hot dogs are heated through, it's time to remove them from the grill. Remember to carefully take out any toothpicks you used before serving. Now, the fun part. Assemble your delicious creations. Place them in your favorite buns and load them up with toppings like ketchup, mustard, relish, or even some grilled onions. Enjoy your amazing homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.